Hey, what's up guys? So today my tutorial is going to be getting started with .NET Core CLI. This is my first video on series of videos on .NET Core, CLI or best practices and anything that sort. So today my video is going to be how to get started with projects and command line, using command line. Creating project and solutions, all that. So the series of steps I'm going to go through today is create a solution file, create a web project, create a test project, add a NuGet package reference to web project, and add project reference to test project, build it, test it, and publish it. So let's go ahead and do it. So first thing I'm going to do is create a solution. So to do that, .NET new SLN. So it's going to use folder name as a solution file name. So you can see on File Explorer the files being created. So I'm going to create a web app project. So .NET new will give all the templates. So today I'm going to use web app, which is here. And if you specify language, it's going to be language specific. I'm going to use C#, which is I'm comfortable with. So .NET new web app, and my output directory is going to be web app. So it's going to create a folder and then create from template and restore all the packages. Now let's go ahead and create a test project. So .NET new xunit. So today I'm going to use xunit as my test project, and then say my output directory as web test. So that's going to create the same way, create a folder and restore all the packages and create from templates. So now you can see two folders being created, web app and web test with the solution file. Now let's go ahead and add these two projects to solution file. So for that, .NET add SLN add. You can specify solution file here, web project solution add, and say web project web app dot which projects you want to add. You can just say a space and then keep adding projects to it. Web test dot test project. So both projects are attached to the solution file. So you can see here the highlighted ones. Now let's go ahead and add a NuGet reference to project. So for that, .NET add project file, which is going to be, I want to add it to my web app project. So web app project.csproj, and then say package. So I'm adding package, newtonsoft.json, and version number 11.0.2. So that's going to be added to my project. So you can see if you go to project file, so that's added, so highlighted there. Now let's go ahead and attach or reference my web app project into test project. So to do that, it's the same command, .NET add, so where I want to add web test web test project reference web app /web csproj. So what it'll do is the reference for web app project is being added to here, so I don't have to write all this XML. So all you have to do is write command line interface, and it's going to do that for us, and which is good. You don't have to make mistakes around XML tags and stuff. So let's go ahead and build it. So in an ideal scenario, or best practices is basically you build your solution and you use it for testing your web app or running your web app, all that pieces. So let's go ahead and build it. So to do that, .NET build, you can specify a solution file, or it's going to pick up, because it's only file in there, it's going to pick up the file. So I'm going to just leave it .NET build. So it's going to build both projects and create binary directories for both of them. Now let's go ahead and run tests. .NET test. Let's see what are the arguments that we have to pass. So if I say .NET test, help, it's going to pull up all the information. So all you have to do is pass the project file. And I'm going to talk about other arguments in next videos about runtime and other pieces. So for now, let's stick to default ones. So .NET test, my web test project. So that's going to do both build and execute. So if you don't want to build it, you can just specify no build, no restore options. So one of this is no restore, and there should be no build option. Yeah, there you go. So you can specify those options if you don't want to build again. So that's a typical good practice. And let's say if you want to run your web project and see how that behaves. So .NET run -p project file. So I want to run web app. That's as simple as that. So it's going to build. You can do the same commands if you don't want to build it again. No build, no restore. So right now your project is running on this port, which you can see the logs on there while I'm clicking on each page on a different window. And if you want to write console logs and see what's going on with your app, you can do that. And for now, if you want to stop this web server, Control C. So this is running off of Kestrel web server, which is backbone for IIS, I believe. So, but anyway, I'm not gonna go details onto it. So let's say if you want to publish this project, so all you have to do is .NET publish and specify the project file. I believe we don't have to give project specific information like arguments, and I'm gonna say no restore because I already restored it. No -build and see. So that's published. If you want to specify output directory, you can specify -o and say /publish, and it's going to create a published folder. You can see here, so which has all the information on it. And if you want to publish this for a specific runtime, there are options to do it, but you cannot use no build, no restore because you built it for default any CPU, any build. I'm gonna post a couple links on my video, and you can on description, so you can go through those links on .NET Core framework and other pieces. Also, I'm using my new laptop to do this video, so let me know how clicks are. Keyboard, this is Overpowered mechanical keyboard, so let me know your comments and new chats or anything new you want me to do. I'll do it. Thank you.